What it do, me and more gang? It's your girl Bianca Shanice, and I'm back with a new video. If you're new here, hello, and if you're a return subscriber, welcome back. Today is Thursday. It's currently 10:26. I have a few things that I need to do today, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. I need to go to the laundromat, and I need to go to Walmart to pick up a few groceries and pick up a few items, and then I have to drop my car off to get it looked at, because if y'all remember, I told y'all my car was having some issues, so I'm trying to go see about that today. But I'm not gonna chit chat with y'all too much. I'm gonna go ahead and head out, and I will see you guys when I get out. What's up, guys? I have made it back home. Today has been a long day. Let me just say that. I had to go to the laundromat because, y'all, my washing machine stopped working today. Well, it actually stopped working Monday. I noticed it, but I didn't pay no mind until today when I went to go wash a load of clothes. That stopped working. So I had to take the clothes out of the washing machine, put them in a basket, and take them to the laundromat because they was like still wet. Then, mind y'all, I was telling y'all about my car. It cut off on me and it wouldn't start Saturday. Because I told y'all about this Friday, but y'all saw it Sunday. So yeah, Saturday it didn't start. I was going to go drop my car off today, but I didn't have nobody to pick me up today because everybody was at work. So I had to drop it off tomorrow. So I'm still having car issues. My AirPods went out. Y'all, even down to my little lighter, that went out today. And I'm just like, what is happening? What is going on? But I'm not going to get so overwhelmed about everything. I picked up my few groceries from Walmart and little house things that I needed. My sister's baby shower is Saturday, so I picked up her gift. I'll show y'all that a little later. And I picked up my nephew something too. I'll show y'all that later too. I actually have been home for some time now. It is currently 4:25. I got home probably about 2 something. And I picked me up something from McDonald's. I ate that, put those groceries away. And now I'm just watching the Hunger Games. And I'm about to start exporting this current vlog here to my computer so I can go ahead and start working on that. But I just wanted to hop in and give y'all an update of what's been going on. Like, I'm tired. I think I'm gonna take me a nap too. But I'll catch y'all back later. Good morning, Memoir Gang. I sound very deep and raspy this morning. Today is Saturday, 9:32. Ugh. Yeah, I'm so sleepy. I didn't do much yesterday. I just dropped my car off. Mama ended up picking me up, and we went to go decorate for my sister's baby shower. And we didn't leave from there till probably about 9:30, 10 o'clock. And when I got home, y'all, I ate. I watched a little TV, and I went to sleep. Now I need to get up and straighten up my house a little bit, and I have to do my sister makeup at 12. Because me and Zori both got to get ready for the baby shower, because the baby shower starts at 3. I'm so sleepy. But anywho, I just want to hop in and let y'all know what we got going on for today.
Is that the same place that got Mama car?
Yep. They already sold her car, I believe. I think that's probably that's what it was. It might be. Oh, okay.
But they had to work on it and get it fixed.
Mm-hmm.
All right, well, I was just checking. Let me get ready to head on back to his house.
Okay.
All right.
What's up, y'all? Zora done got our baths and got dressed. Just gotta wash our face and brush our teeth. I'm just trying to export some of this footage so everything can go up tomorrow, which is Sunday. My sister should be here in a few because I've got to do her makeup for her baby shower. The baby shower starts at 3. It's 12:13, so maybe I want her to be here at 12, so at least can have like a good 45 minutes. I don't want to be rushing, so I don't know how this gonna go. But I just put on something simple, this shirt and some ripped jeans or whatever. And I'm gonna put my Bass Pro hat on. And that's about it. But I just want to hop in and let y'all know what I was doing. I'll check back in a few. All right. I need to get me some more watch bands. You still got your Apple Watch? We are fully dressed now. We're just waiting on my mom's to get here. It's 2:08. It starts at 3. Hopefully we'll be there on time. Y'all, I can't wait to let man look at my car because having to get rides and stuff, that ain't fun. It ain't fun. Yes! I'm out here on YouTube. Don't act like that. What's up, y'all? So I have made it back home. I actually had to leave the baby shower early because the man called for me to come pick up my car. So I got my car back, but I still have to get some tires. He said that's why it's shaking the way it's shaking and pulling. So I had to get like my spark plugs changed and something about an ignition cord. That. And y'all, I left the baby shower and didn't get a chance to eat nothing. But I think I'm about to fix me one of those spicy chicken sandwiches. I think that's what I'm about to do. Let me check, make sure my cheese ain't old. These, y'all know this is my favorite. Y'all, I feel so bad that I could not go back to the baby shower. I hate that I had to leave early. I'm really annoyed. Y'all dark. Sorry, y'all.